Welcome to Best RV channel. Again, this is Nal from Best RV down in Trolla, California. What is behind me is a nice game changer in the fifth wheel bunk with a rear kitchen. What you see here is a brand new 2025 Forest River Cedar Creek 39 RKB. It has the nice high profile with LED light. I'm really impressed with this LED. I mean, look, this is LED light. This is not a plastic white insert. This is pure LED light, and again, you could turn it off. There's a switch for it. You have a place for generators in the front, so it's a prep to accommodate generators. I could put 5.5 on an LP generator, no question asked, if you want to. If you don't, you have a full storage. You have a 2 30-pounders propane tank in there on the side, and they're easy to get in. You have a latch for your pits or whatever you want to tie something. Pass through storage with LED lights, as you see, and there's a pegboard, and you could access from both sides. Huge outside TV entertainment centers outside here. They hooked up outside sprayers. Now you could see the awning. It covered all the area here. I love those square windows. The square windows give you a nice shaded built-in, and it's a pop the unit. I mean, you could see the unit and say wow. Coming down over here, you have another storage outside. They don't waste any space, so if you have a brooms, fishing pole, golf club, whatever, you could store here. And then typical in the back, they give me the backup camera prep. I have a receiver class 2x2 in the rear, and prep for ladder. This is a neat place for storage in the back, so they don't waste it. You can put a storage in the back. They don't waste any space. And then again, it has the 6-point auto leveling. That's very important. 6-point auto leveling. 3 slide out in this side and 1 slide out in the other side. Endless hot water heater, as you see here. And then we have the 1 docking stations where you could control all your valves, the outside shower, the city water connections, all the dump valve, battery disconnect switch. It's all right here. And then the pass-through storage. And then here's you have a place for deep cycle battery. You could add more. And then this is the controller for the Lippert auto leveling. And you just put the code, I believe, as it said here, 5241. Enter, and then you could do the auto leveling and extend and all of that. So this is the brand new Cedar Creek 39 RK. Let's go inside and see the amazing floor plan, because to be honest with you, I really love it. I mean, I've seen too many floor plan, but this one speaks for itself. Isn't this is amazing kitchen? I mean, it's just speak for itself. You know, I could not believe, and I see many fifth wheels, this kind of kitchens. I mean, it's very super nice. The back speak for itself. I mean, look, all these glass cabinet in the top. Look, all the solid wood, residential hood, residential 4-burner range oven. Look how big the oven. I could really true put a turkey. This is a house microwave. I mean, believe me, this is what they come in the custom homes. You have a big microwave, and also convection, so you could do electric oven. So it has electric oven or gas oven as well. You could use this as microwave. I mean, this is same which they come in the custom homes. Look, all this solid wood on these doors. It's not a paper wrap like some other brands. I like the finishing in the back. Look like beautiful finish, clean, and you could get a storage all over. And I mean, I know you need a step, but they don't waste the space. They give you all that shelf storage. And then this is a speak for itself. You have like a custom homes. You have your own window with a nicer sink and a faucet and a cup rinse, 3-way. And then you could have your window when you're washing dishes. You could look up, as you have a prepping area when you wash the dishes on the right and the left side. And as well, when you cook, you have plenty kitchen counter space. There's a room for coffee maker, toasters, espresso machines, you know, plenty. I mean, amazing. It speaks for itself. And then again, don't waste. We have a place for a trash can, the nice cutting board, and you get all the stuff. I mean, the function of this kitchen, it's amazing. And everything you need, nice self-closing cabinet. And again, plenty place for cooking pans, plenty. There's a trash cans, silverware, utensils, you name it. And ladies, you're not losing your pantry. Look, all these pantries, solid wood, solid, and they're self-closing. You can see all this one, plenty. You could put all the cereals, canned foods, the sugars, flour, salt, you name it. And then even there's more. Fridge, it's amazing. They give you the biggest fridge they make. There's the ice maker right there. As well over here, more storage. It's a 4-door refrigerator. And this is the biggest one they manufacture for RVs, fifth wheel and trailers. Love this. I love about the separations. So if I'm in the kitchen, cooking, eating, serving food, prepping the food, washing dishes, I am not in the way of somebody sitting here watching the game or watch a movie. It gives you everything from office. You have an office here. So you could have that chair if I want to. And I could work from this fifth wheel. And I have my beautiful, nice view window. I have my laptop here, doing my work. I could put a desktop here if I want to. Room for a printer, big screen, doors for your office, files. Perfect. So I have an office, I have a dinette, I have a hide-a-bit sofa, and again the theater seating facing the TV. Now this is a perfect unit for a family. They like to enjoy the family time by cooking together, eating together, socialize, eat, because this fifth wheel, everybody thought, oh, it's a 39 rear kitchen fifth wheel, only good for 2 elderly people, and that's it. But actually this unit is a family unit. Why? Because it has the ability to sleep 4 people. I have a place to sleep 2 people on the loft. I could sleep people in this room, in separate room, and I could sleep another 2 people in this hide-a-bed sofa. That's total 6, and 2 people in the king size bed in the front. So it gives you a lot of functionality on this fifth wheel, and it's very roomy. I mean, you could see all the room here. Now this unit, you see there's a theater seating, and they're electric theater seating. You have to be plugged into, but these theater seating, you could sit, relax, enjoy the movie. There's a nice hide-a-bed sofa, one over here, and then there's a nice dinette with a bench and a storage. You see the storage right here, the nice table where nothing for knees issue, and then there's more tinsel doors, extension. This one extend if I want to, so I could sit easy 4 people or 5. This hide-a-bed, we talked about it in the previous videos, is so easy to make. Only with one hand I could raise it up, because it has shocks to allow to raise this unit with no problem. I mean, you could see, look, watch, please, one hand, that's it. It's amazing. And then they have this fancy cover. Isn't it nice? Voila, plenty of room. I could sleep easy 1 person or 2 kids. And to making it, it's very easy. Raise this up, one hand. Voila, it's done. I wish I had this one in my house. Nice hide-a-bed sofa. Voila, this is for you. Okay, nice beautiful TV with a fireplace, nice mintel, and I like the solid wood finishing on it. So this is from kitchen, living room, office, and now we're gonna go to the kids room. This is another room well, they sleep 2 people at the bottom and 2 people on the top. And then again, this is nice height a bit. Same principle as what I showed you before. You have a place here for their TVs. They have a place for their closet, hanging clothes, socks, underwears. And again, the kids, they could have their Xbox here. Their TV should be here, or on the stand, whatever they want. And or the kids, they could use it as study room. They could do their homework here, or they just have their TV and Xbox and enjoy this. And this room has window, one on this side, as well one in the back, and one on both sides, and they're open, so you have a nice wind circulation. So this is from the mid bunk room. I love the finishing on this mid bunk room. It's completely finished, and this is the nice cold air coming, and the bottom is where the heat's coming. So heat rise top, cold go down. So this is the nice bunk room. Also, the kids, if they made a mess, you close the door, you don't have to see their mess. Going over here, we have a nice loft. And again, this sleep 2 people, come with the mattress. Some competitor, they don't provide you the mattress. This one come with the mattress. There's a 3rd TV location, or 4th TV location. I could put it right there on the corner for the kids sleeping here. They have even their own fantastic fan in the ceiling, and they have their own window and the stairs. Going down over here, we have the nice king size suite. Love this. This is a beautiful king size, very big. I love these shelves. They give you ability to have your cell phone or a breathing machine is in the top. And again, you have the storage underneath with the shock where you put your pillows, blankets, extra sheets. Good mattress, easy to walk around. Look, I'm walking easier around the king size bed. You have electric heater, so you have and this unit has 2 heaters, one electric here in the master bedroom and one on a propane whole unit, the furnace. The unit come with the 3 TVs, one in the master suite bedroom, big one in the living area, kitchen area, and one outside. But you could add the 4th and the 5th for the loft as well the bunk room. And again, don't forget women's storage for their makeup or their valuable items. It's a nice dress-up area, flunchy doors for socks, underwears. I love this LED light underneath the cabinet. And guys, don't forget this unit come with the washer and dryer prep, as you see in the picture. And I could put a washer dryer here, and it has all the hookup. If you don't want to put a washer dryer, so you could use this as a shelf. And you have your router, the Wi-Fi router come with it, as you see here, the Travi-Fi, and all the big closet, and you could see I could stand in it with no problem. People 6.2, 6.2 height in the bedroom, no issue. Look, the ceiling in the bedroom is very high, so you tall people, not like me, they could walk around the bed without bending like other brands. In the master bathroom, I love the nice medicine cabinet. This fancy sink, ding ding ding, it's a china. And then you have a china toilet, solid door, and then you have the linen closet, and then you have the nice shower head with 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads, glass door. Now nobody noticed, this is one piece fiberglass cap, no seam whatsoever, so the water will not go outside. And it has the seat in case if you're tired like me, or if you want to do shaving or do your business in the shower, so you have a place to sit and relax and enjoy your shower. This is what Cedar Creek, they give you all high-end stuff, from the wood, solid wood, from the finishing, from the components, like from the appliances in the kitchen, residential appliances. This is not RV appliances, this is pure residential appliances. This unit come with 2 big AC. There's one here, one in there, and a big ceiling fan. And then you have multiple fantastic fan. You have one for the kids in the loft bed, and you have also another one in the kitchen. Quality and features. That's what Cedar Creek is very well known. I love this, their slide out, the 6'10" inches slide out. Roomy kitchen. If you tell me you don't have enough, believe me, this is kitchen, has so much counter space, more cabinet, more storage, more pantry than any brand you ever seen. Come to Best RV and grab this 39 RKB. Grab it for yourself. If you want to go on the road and have a worker on the road, you have an office. If you have a bunch of kids, you have plenty of room for them to sleep, and still you have a room for you to work, plenty kitchen, plenty living area. Price wise, we shop. No one in this side of the country, from California, Oregon, Washington, this side of the country could even come close to our price. And very important, we giving you this unit with no any hidden fees. We making it ready, wash it, clean, prep, do 2 hours walkthrough at zero cost to you. Come to Best RV and get this unit and go enjoy camping with it. Welcome to Best RV.